Hello everyone, welcome to the Nerdy Novelist. What is this channel about? Well, the Nerdy Novelist is all about writing and publishing books in a modern age. Now, what do I mean by that? There are a couple of things that I focus on this channel, but the main thing that I mean when I say modern age is artificial intelligence. Most of the videos you will see on this channel will relate to artificial intelligence and how we as writers can leverage that in our writing and use it as the productivity tool that it is meant to be in our own writing to produce more books, to produce better books, and most importantly to kind of stop that decision fatigue that we have going on in our own writing so we can feel a little bit less burnt out from the whole process. But there are some other things. The second big thing is content marketing, talking about content marketing. So things like a blog or a YouTube channel like this one and how you can use that to promote your books. This is my area of expertise. I've been doing this for many years now. I have my own blog that I use to promote my books. It is my favorite form of marketing. I am also the content manager for a little site called Kindlepreneur, which you may have heard of if you're in the self-publishing space. And it's what I do for a living. And so I am going to be talking about that a little bit. I think there's some great opportunities there. Lastly, I am going to talk about other tools that other authors can use in your writing that might be helpful in the same way that AI might be helpful, and just other writing advice. I occasionally will probably stray from the pattern and try a few other things. For instance, right now I'm very interested in learning all about different story structures, and so I might have some videos about that. But if you want to know a little bit about me, first of all, as I mentioned, I am the content manager for Kindlepreneur, and so I plan, write, and edit and format a lot of that content pretty much all day. That is my day job. By night, I am a mythic fantasy author, and I have my own website based on that called MythBank. And that is designed specifically as a form of content marketing for a fiction author. And I also currently play with a lot of AI tools. That is it about me and about the Nerdy Novelist. I look forward to seeing more of you and in upcoming videos.